Greetings, my friends. I am Felix Kingston. In the beginning of the 17th century, through to 1651, I had the esteemed role of a religious printer and publisher in London, focusing predominantly on Reformed and Puritan works. I obtained this vocation as handed down from my father before me. I was especially privileged in my day to print some of the works of that famed Westminster Assembly. It is my honour to introduce you to the esteemed preacher, theologian, and member of the Westminster Assembly, William Spurstowe. He was a man filled with real humility, eminently charitable both in giving and forgiving. He was meek and patient, and yet, in God's cause, his zeal was better tempered than a swordsmith's blade. He was indeed a great ornament to Christianity. Not many of his works survive today, but Puritan Publications has taken up the task of republishing his works in more modern language for you. They completed his final work, titled The Sermons of William Spurstowe. This work is the final compilation of Spurstowe's available sermons. These sermons are eminently practical, highly spiritual, and demonstrate his ministerial ability to be a powerful preacher for Christ and his kingdom. There are 2 funeral sermons, one dealing with death not being a stumbling block for Christians, taken from Psalm 17:15. As for me, I will behold thy face in righteousness. I shall be satisfied, when I awake, with thy likeness. Another on the reward of faithful believers being as a crown of life given in heaven, taken from Revelation chapter 2, verse 10. Fear none of those things which thou shalt suffer. Behold, the devil shall cast some of you into prison that ye may be tried, and ye shall have tribulation 10 days. Be thou faithful unto death, and I will give thee a crown of life. This sermon is worth the cost of this volume alone. Also contained in this work are his sermons before Parliament and the Westminster Assembly, as well as his famous sermon on the civil magistrate's duty before God. This volume is readily available at Puritan Publications, offering ebook and print editions in both hardback and paperback. I wholeheartedly encourage you to secure a copy from their website and immerse yourself in the biblical insights that he, as a preacher of righteousness, provides, bringing you closer, step by step, to the throne of glory. May your walk with King Jesus be filled with biblical admiration, guided by his holy word, meditated on day and night. With my blessings, I bid you farewell. Amen.